Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again after your long summer break. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class after a long break. Okay, so as you all know that again we have today again we have started with our online classes and online videos so that you can continue with your studies. So hello and welcome to you or to you all from my side once again. So class, now as you know that at the time was really hard for all of us to suffer in this pandemic, and I really hope that you all are doing well, your family members are also doing well, and pray for, and I just pray that you all should be well in the future as well. Okay, so now today we will start again with our syllabus that from where we have left in our previous session. So if you remember, in the last session we have started with exercise 3.2. So first of all, not without exercise, so first of all we were doing a chapter number 3, that is addition. ओके सो हम चैप्टर नंबर 3 कर रहे थे एडिशन में. सो वी हैव डन द एडिशन ऑलरेडी. वी हैव डन द सिंपल एडिशन सम्स. Okay, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit addition with carry, without carrying, that we have already done. Okay, so exercise 3.1, that was totally about the addition of the various numbers. Okay, addition in columns, and this we have already done. Okay, so in our last session we have started with exercise 3.2, that was a word problem. Okay, so in this exercise 3.2, the statement sums are there in which we have already done two sums, that is sum number 1 and 2. Okay, that is related to word problems. ओके सो देखिए ये पूरा चैप्टर जो है बेटा आपका, ये दिस इज कम्प्लीटली अबाउट दी एडिशन. सो ये वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स भी क्या है, दे आर ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू द एडिशन ओनली. ओके, सो हम इसमें से ऑलरेडी कुछ कर चुके हैं, कुछ फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड, एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द फर्दर क्वेश्चंस. Okay, so if you will be having any kind of query, you can ask me on your phone call, or you can just ask me during the online class. Okay, so let's begin with exercise 3.2. So all of you kindly open your books at exercise page number 29, and the exercise is 3.2. This is the exercise, that is 3.2. Okay, चलिए. So first of all, let's begin with this sum number 3. Okay, so first and second we have done, so I'm going to start with sum number 3. So let's begin with this as well. A shopkeeper bought 4,583 nuts and 2,836 bolts. How many pieces did he buy in all? राइट द नंबर सेंटेंस एंड सॉल्यूशन सेंटेंस. ओके, तो देखिए एक शॉपकीपर है, उसने 4,583 नट्स खरीदे और 2,836 बोल्स खरीदे. सो नट्स एंड बोल्स जो आपने देखा होगा, ओके, जो किसी चीज़ को कसने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं. सो शॉपकीपर हैज़ बॉट सम नंबर ऑफ नट्स एंड सम नंबर ऑफ बोल्स. Okay, so now what we need to find out is in this question, how many pieces did he buy in all? तो उसने टोटल कितने पीसेस खरीदे, ये हमें बताना है. राइट द नंबर सेंटेंस एंड सॉल्यूशन सेंटेंस. तो सॉल्यूशन सेंटेंस और नंबर सेंटेंस को देखते हुए वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट दैट हाउ मच टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीसेस ऑफ नट्स एंड बोल्ट्स ऑल टुगेदर डिड ही बॉट. ओके, सो दैट्स वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट. सो इट्स वेरी हॉट दिस डेज. सो चलिए कोई बात नहीं, चलिए. सो शॉपकीपर बॉट, सो नट्स बॉट एंड द बोल्स बॉट, या नंबर ऑफ नट्स बॉट या नंबर ऑफ बोल्स बॉट, एंड द टोटल पीसीज बॉट, दैट वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट. इसके अलावा राइट द नंबर सेंटेंस एंड सॉल्यूशन सेंटेंस. सो दैट मीन्स एट लास्ट वी नीड टू राइट डाउन द नंबर सेंटेंस एंड द सॉल्यूशन सेंटेंस ऑफ द सेम एज वेल. Okay, so let's write down, let's do the question number 3. number of nuts bought. Number of nuts bought, that is 4583. Number of nuts bought, that is 4583. Next, number of bowls bought. उन्होंने bowls कितने खरीदे? So number of bowls bought is 2836. 2836. So this is the number of nuts and bowls that is being bought by the shopkeeper. Next is we need to find out how many pieces did he buy in all. So total pieces bought. Okay, that we need to find out. Total pieces bought, that we need to find out. So total pieces bought is that we can calculate. तो total pieces कैसे निकालेंगे? By adding the number of bowls bought plus number of nuts bought. Okay, that is 4583 plus 2836. So let's add them. 4583 plus 2836. Okay, so 3 plus 6 9, 8 plus 3 11, 1 will be carried to the next number. 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 1 14, 4, 1 will be carried forward. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1, that is 7. So total pieces bought is 7419. 7419. So this is the total number of pieces bought. Okay, so total number of pieces bought by the shopkeeper is 7419. अब देखिए क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा है बेटा? Write the number sentence and solution sentence. So first of all, let's write down the number sentence. Number sentence is 4583 plus 2836 is equal to 7490. This is the number sentence. Okay. Next, solution sentence. इसकी short form लिखेंगे. या solution sentence mention करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just simply write down. Solution sentence क्या होता है? Therefore, वो हम question के according लिखते हैं. जो हमें question पूछा है तो उसी according हम solution लिखते हैं. Okay, so when the question it is written, how many pieces did he buy in all? Therefore, he bought 7419 pieces. Therefore, he bought 7419 pieces in all. Therefore, he bought 7419 pieces in all. Okay. चलिए, so number of nuts bought, that is 4583. Number of bowls bought, that is 2836. Total pieces bought, that we need to calculate, and that we have calculated by adding the both, that is 7490. Okay, So this is the solution of question number 3 from exercise 3.2. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, now moving next to the question number 4 of the same exercise 3.2. Question number is 4. So the fourth is, there are 3,786 men, 2,983 women and 3,508 children in a village. What is the total population in this village? तो यहाँ पे देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में उन्होंने क्या दिया, उन्होंने एक विलेज में बताया है कि नंबर ऑफ मेंस कितने हैं, नंबर ऑफ विमेंस कितनी है और नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन क्या कितने होंगे. देखिए किसी भी विलेज में, किसी भी सिटी में या किसी भी टाउन में अगर हम उनकी पॉपुलेशन कैलकुलेट करेंगे, सो व्हाट विल बी कैलकुलेट, वी विल कैलकुलेट टोटल नंबर ऑफ मेन, विमेन एंड चिल्ड्रेन. तो हम जब किसी भी जगह के आपको पॉपुलेशन पता करनी हो तो आप क्या करोगे, तो वहाँ पे जितने भी बच्चे हैं, लेडीज़ हैं, जेंट्स हैं, उनको टोटल करोगे, देन यू कैन फाइंड आउट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ the total population of that particular area. So just like that, in this question number 4, the number of men's are given, number of women's in a village are given, and number of children in a village are given, and we need to find out the total population. Total population means the sum total of, so when we add these three, number of men, women and children, so when we add the number of men, women and children all together, we can easily calculate the total population of that village. So that's what we need to do here. Okay, chaliye, so let's begin with this. So there are 3,786 men, 2,983 women and 3,508 children in a village. What is the total population in the village, in this village? So let's write down number of men. So first of all, we will write down the three categories that are given here. The first is number of men. कितने हैं? That is 3,786. 3,786. This is the number of men. Second is number of women. Second is number of women. Number of women is 2,983. 2,983. This is the number of women. Third, number of children. Third is number of children. Number of children. So the number of children is 3,508. 3,508. This is the number of children. So number of men, women and children of a certain village is given here, and now we need to find out the total population of the village. So let's find out total population. Total population. So total population of village. So that we need to find out here. Total population of village. So for this, what we will do, we will add these three. This is 3,786 plus 2,983. Just a second. Okay, guys, I'm adding here 3,786 plus 2,983 plus 3,508. So this is the population of three different categories, that is men, women and children of a village. So let's add them all. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 7. 1 will be carried next. 8 plus 8, 16. Plus 0, 16. Plus 1, 17. 7. 1 will be carried next. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. Plus 1. This is 22. Okay. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. That is 10. So the total population of the village is 10,277. So the total population of the village is 10,277. तो देखिए अब now we will write down the solution sentence. Though it is not being asked in the question में नहीं बोला है कि इसको solution sentence लिखना है, but just remember we always write solution sentence at the end of each and every word problems or statements. So don't forget to write the solution sentence. Therefore total population of the village is 10,277. Therefore total population of the village is 10,277. So number of men are given, number of women was given, number of children was given, and we need to find out the total population of the village. So after adding the numbers that are given in these three informations of number of men, women and children, so we got the answer, that is 10,277. So now what is this? 10,277 is the total population of the village. Therefore total population of the village is 10,277. Clear? Chaliye. So now let's begin with question number 5. So let's begin with question number 5. Okay, sorry for this. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. This is the solution of question number 4 from exercise 3.2. Okay? Okay. So let's move to the next question from the exercise 3.2, that is question number 5. So first of all, let me just erase it. Okay, so after that we will move to the next one, that is the 5th one. Okay, so the 5th is here. Okay, so now we will start with question number 5. So question number 5 is, there are 3,527 cows, 4,809 buffaloes and 1,283 other cattle in a village. How many total cattle are in that village? Okay, so here in question number 5, they have shared some certain information about the certain cattle in a village. Okay, so they have distinguished the cattle, they had given the information about the cattle in a village in the 3 different categories. So they have mentioned the number of cows, second number of buffaloes and then other cattle. Okay, so there are 3,527 cows in a village and 4,809 buffaloes. So cows and buffaloes are given. So certain number of cows and certain number of buffaloes in a village are given. And now what we need to find out is, and okay, now third information that they have given, that is 1,283 other cattle in a village. So this is the number of other cattle that are also in that village, that it should be sheep or goat. So they also are termed as the cattles. Okay. So now what we need to find out, how many total cattle are in that village. So we need to calculate the total number of cattle in that village. हमें उस village में total number of cattle हैं जो वो बतानी. Clear? So number of cows, number of buffaloes and number of other cattle are given, and after adding all these three, we can calculate the total number of cattle in a village. Okay, so let's do question number 5. Okay, so number of cows, number of cows in the villages, that is 3,527. So number of cows is 3,527. So this is the number of cows in the village. So next cattle they have mentioned is buffaloes. That is number of buffaloes. Nobody is going to say it buffalo, it is buffalo. BUFFALOES. That is number of buffaloes. So the number of buffaloes in the village is 4,809. This is 4,809. So this is the total number of buffaloes in the village. Next, number of, okay, so third is that, and 1,283 other cattle. So they have not mentioned the category of the other cattle. So in the number of other cattle is 1,283. Number of other cattle. Number of other cattle is 1,283. That is 1,283. So number of other cattle is 1,283. Now, next we need to calculate how many total cattle are in that village. So total number of cattle in the village. So that we need to find out total number of cattle, total number of cattle in the village. Total number of cattle in the village. So for calculating the total number of cattle, what we are going to do is, we will add the number of these three different categories of cattle. This is 3,527 plus 4,809 plus 1,283. So this is how we can calculate the total number of cattle that are present in that, or that are in that village. Okay, so let's add them. 3,527. This is the number of cows. Second is number of buffaloes, that is 4,809. 4,809. So this is the number of buffaloes. Next is number of other cattle. It will not be cattle. Cattles नहीं होता, कभी भी हमेशा cattle होता है. Number of other cattle is 1283. Okay, so let's, for calculating the total number of cattle in that village, we will add all these three. So let's add them. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 9. 1 will be carried to the next number. 2 plus 8, 10 plus 1, that is 11. 1, next one will be carried to the next number. Okay. Now 5 plus 8, okay, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15 plus 1, 16. चाहे तो आप ऐसे ऐड कर सकते हैं. और 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 2, 15 plus 1, 16. So this is how we can calculate 16. So चाहे आप जैसे मर्जी इसको ऐड करें, you will get the 16 only. 16. So 6 will be here and 1 will be carried to the next number. Okay. चलिए. Now 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. This is 9. So total number of cattle in that village is 9619. So this is the total number of cattle in that village. Okay. So this is the total number of cattle, that is 9619. Now we need to write down the solution sentence as well, that I have already told you that you are not going to forget about the what we call it, the solution sentence, and that you need to write down at the end of each and every statement, sums or word problems, whatever you say that, but don't forget to write the solution sentence. Okay, and solution sentence will be based on the question that is being asked in the book. So the question it is, how many total cattle are in that village? So therefore there are 9619 cattle in that village. So here we will write it like this. Therefore there are 9619 cattle. It will be cattle, not cattles. It will always, the plural is also cattle and singular is also cattle. Therefore there are 9619 cattle in that village. So this is the total number of cattle that are existing in that village, that is 9690. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 5 from exercise 3.2, in which the number of cow, number of buffaloes and number of other cattle was given, and we need to calculate the total number of cattle in that village. So 3 different numbers of cattle are given in, and for calculating the total number of cattle in that particular village, what we need to do is we need to add all the numbers together, or we will add all the different number of different cattle in that village, so that we can get the total number of cattle, that is 9619. And don't forget to write the solution sentence at the end of each and every word problem or statement sums. Okay. So you can pause it here and note it down in your notebook, the solution of question number 5 from exercise 3.2. Okay. So with this we have completed the first 5 sums from the exercise 3.2. Okay. So in next session we will start with the next question number 6. Okay, so till then everybody, kindly complete your work in your notebooks and do it in a very clean handwriting, so that in future when your copies are going to be checked, so we can easily be able to check those notebooks. Okay, So this was from my today's session. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.